Today, I'll guide you through creating a movie poster using Leonardo AI. Start by searching for Leonardo AI on Google and click the first link to access the site. Once there, click Get Started and log in with your Google account. You'll be taken to the Leonardo AI user interface, where you can explore the latest posts in the community creations. Navigate to the Image Creation section under AI Tools. Here, you can view your creation history. You can modify the type of image you want to create using the presets available. Utilize the Prompt Enhancer to refine your prompt and adjust the preset style to change the image's style. You can also adjust the contrast to suit your needs. In the Generation mode, choose between fast and quality settings for image generation. You can customize the dimensions and size of your image and generate up to 8 images with a single prompt. Once you've set your preferences, type your prompt and click Enter. Leonardo AI will generate stunning results in seconds. If you want to refine your results further, use the Improve Prompt option and click Generate again. Leonardo AI will blur explicit content. Click here to view the image. Select any image to access additional options. From Organize, you can save your images to folders. You can also download or copy your image from here. Use Unzoom Image to zoom out. Click it and go back, then click here to view unzoomed image. You can see the comparison of original and unzoomed versions. Finally, let's switch the preset to Anime to see the different results it offers. Click Generate and observe how it produces anime-style images, like an anime version of Hulk. Let us know what you'd like to see next. Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Subscribe to Novela Film Academy for more such videos.